The airport was very busy that morning. People were walking fast, pulling their suitcases and looking at the big screens. Anna stood near the check-in desk. It was her first time flying alone, and she felt nervous. She checked her ticket again. Gate 23, flight to London, 10:40 a.m. Everything is fine, she said to herself. At the desk, the woman smiled. Good morning. Passport, please. Anna gave her passport and ticket. The woman typed on the computer and gave Anna her boarding pass. Your gate is 23. Boarding starts at 10:10. Thank you, Anna said. After security, Anna bought a coffee and sat near her gate. She watched planes outside the window. Some were landing, some were leaving. Suddenly, she heard her name. Anna Martins, please come to the desk. Her heart beat fast. She walked to the desk. The man smiled. Don't worry, you left your phone at security. Oh, thank you so much, Anna said. She sat down again and sent a message to her mother. I'm at the gate. Everything is okay. Then the speaker announced, Flight 582 to London is now boarding. Anna stood up, picked up her suitcase, and walked to the line. She showed her boarding pass and entered the plane. When she found her seat, she looked out the window and smiled. Her adventure was starting.